Use a consistent notch angle and technique to create a uniform mortar ridge under large format tiles. Start by choosing the correct mortar, mixed to the manufacturer viscosity so it holds ridges without slumping, then apply a scratch coat if the substrate is porous to prevent rapid drawdown. Hold the notch side of the trowel at a 45-degree angle and pull with steady pressure to form parallel ridges rather than chopping or pushing, and keep your stroke length consistent across the field to maintain uniform ridge height. After buttering or back buttering large tiles, place each tile and rotate gently a few degrees to collapse the ridges evenly, then lift the tile and inspect the mortar ridges for full coverage and consistent thickness before final set down. Use a straight edge or level across adjacent tiles frequently to detect differential lippage as you work and adjust mortar where needed by troweling additional material into low spots or removing excess from high spots. For extremely large tiles, consider temporary battens or setting blocks spaced under the tile to support weight and control compression so the mortar does not overcompress and form voids. Keep mortar open time and working time in mind. If it skins over, scrape it off and reapply fresh mortar rather than trying to rework a compromised bed. Common mistakes include holding the trowel at inconsistent angles, which creates variable ridge height, so keep a visual reference or mark a guide on the trowel handle to maintain 45 degrees and practice strokes on scrap to build muscle memory. Another frequent issue is overworking the mortar or allowing it to skin, which reduces bond. So mix only as much as you can install in the product working time and keep material covered when not in use. A third problem is uneven tile support and voids under large format pieces leading to lippage and breakage. So always back butter large tiles, check for full contact by lifting after placement, and use temporary supports until the mortar gains initial set. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples and contractor profiles so we can help users find people for tile projects and other work. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and trade local contractor recommendations with other homeowners and professionals.